enjoy the first program in our series about how to say hello? We're going to do our second program in the series. Today is all about different ways on how to ask, how are you? And how people are feeling. There are lots of different ways. You can say, how are you? How are you feeling? How are you doing? How's it going? How's things? And even, what's up? So let's have a look now at how to do formal conversation. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That was the most formal version. Now, a slightly less formal version. How are you feeling?
I feel fine.
How are you feeling?
I feel great.
How are you feeling?
I'm a bit tired.
So that was the two most formal ways to say how are you. Now, let's have a look at how you would say it less formally with people you know. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
How are you doing?
Not so good.
Is that okay? And now, here's another way to use how are you with your friends by saying, how's it going? How's it going?
It's going good.
How's it going?
It's going okay.
How's it going?
Not so great.
And now, for a version that's even less formal. How's things? How's things?
Oh, good.
How's things?
I'm doing great.
How's things?
Not good.
And now, for the funniest version, where we use the expression was up. What's up?
What's up? Yo, what's up?
Chillin'. Don't forget to follow us on Coaching English Facebook page, like our videos, and message us with any information you would like. And we also have online English courses.